Hi, it's me, Silhenba from Nishai Farm. It's been long time. I haven't updated for anything, so sorry. Actually, I'm not a YouTuber. I'm a farmer, and I was busy with some of my other works and business, so I can't update anything about my farming. Uh, I have seen many of you uh, like comment and personally call me, but I am not available to help you. But actually, it's little bit messed up. But I just want to update about something that I got calls from like around 10 12 people about asking about Azolla plant, and the thunderstorm that happened last week have destroyed some of the place. But now the Azolla is available abundantly. Who want to take the Azolla seed can contact me, or if like I can, if I come to your side, I can bring for you. It's for free of course. I am not going to charge anything. It's just available in your community if you know the plan. So this side I have to uh, make the ponds again for Azolla. So this time I will be making some changes from before. Like this tarpaulin does not last for long, so I'm thinking about using the good quality one. So okay, I'm speaking in English because like some of the people who called me were from hill districts. So please call me if you need Azolla.